Hi ladies and gentlemen, you're welcome back to my channel. Today is 28th day of starting the process of broiler meat chicken. So as usual, what I'm going to be updating you with is going to be the weight, the casualty numbers, and also the number of bags, or let me say the kg of feed consumed up to date. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please ensure you subscribe to my hi ladies and gentlemen, you are welcome back to my channel. Today is the 20th day, 20th day, and what we are going to be doing is just the same thing as what we have been doing all this while. And what I'll be doing, in case you are just coming to my channel, is I'll be bringing you up to speed to know what has happened with regards to these birds and what they have consumed so far and their life weight. So without much ado, let's get started. Right now I'm going to be selecting like 5 birds out of all these birds. I'm going to be selecting 5 from them to know their life weight, if we are making any improvement. And here I have my weight scale. This is 0.85, that's 850 kg. I'm taking them at random. This is 1 kg. This is 950 grams. This is 950 grams. This is 1 kg. And this is 900 grams. The summary of it all is that in 20 days, averagely, I've been able to raise the chicken to 950 grams each, average body weight. And so far we have consumed 6 bags, 10 kg. That is the amount of bags of Ultimate Starter feed we have consumed so far up to date. If you think we are actually doing the right thing, comment your thoughts in the section below this video. And if you think we are actually doing the wrong thing, feel free to criticize as well. Nobody knows it all, we are still learning. So to your success and to my profit, ladies and gentlemen, if you derive any value watching my video, please subscribe to this channel. Bye for now.